Ayan po, nangangalakal po siya ng ligaw na berries sa kanyang lupain. Hindi po kasi niya inaayos eh, kaya...
Cola, the cola.
Sa baba, tayo ang daming malalaki. There, it's too many big. There, too many big down.
Too many.
You need to go down.
No lah, it's too bad. Why? Oh, just give me some. You see, that crazy guy.
There's a goat there. The wild goat is eating the berries.
Not goose. Wild pig.
Wild pig.
No, don't land there lah. It's sleepy ah. Okay lah,
Slippery.
enough lah.
You didn't see the way. You might fall down there. There's no.
Be careful, there's a big snake there.
Ah. It's too hot.
We always said that berry has snake. Stop lah. So noisy. Okay.